kids. Vibrant and stimulating design. A colorful playroom for kids is designed to be both visually stimulating and developmentally supportive. Bright hues such as sunny yellow, sky blue, cheerful red, and grassy green dominate the walls, furniture, and play zones, creating an inviting space that sparks creativity and energy. Color-coded sections of the room can be designated for different activities: reading, building, arts and crafts, and imaginative play, helping children navigate and focus on specific tasks. Child-friendly furniture and decor. Soft, rounded furniture in bold primary colors ensures both safety and appeal. Storage units shaped like animals or alphabet blocks make cleanup fun and keep the room organized. Walls may be decorated with colorful murals or interactive chalkboard paint, allowing kids to express themselves freely. Encouraging learning through play. Educational toys, sensory tables, and puzzles are carefully placed throughout the room to support cognitive and motor development. A variety of textures and materials, from plush rugs to wooden blocks, encourages tactile exploration, while natural lighting and whimsical lamps keep the atmosphere bright and playful. Would you like it tailored for a home, daycare center, or another setting? Dear friends, I hope you would have liked the video and subscribed the channel. Remember to share it with your family and friends. Stay tuned for next video. See you soon.